Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Goa strikes gold, claims Dr. Nandakumar Kamath. Gold deposits in Bardez and Pedne, around 6,000 metric tons gold worth 1,200 billion rupees. Examination papers leaked in Goa Medical College. Dean cancels 2 papers. Inquiry initiated. Report in 48 hours. Aldona MLA Dayanand Narvekar hints at switching to NCP, says he is fed up of state of Congress, criticizes ganging up of MLAs against Mickey. GBA cites many errors in regional plan, says Kankon and Pedne plan inaccurate, terms some policies of RP as conflicting and arbitrary. In sports, PVG Warriors Al Fatah beat Dempo Cricket Club to win the GPL 2020 championship. Sher Bahadur Yadav becomes best player of the tournament. And 5-goal Odafa Okoli powers Churchill Brothers to a big win over AIFF 11 in the I-League. And now the news in detail. Goa has literally struck gold. Dr. Nandakumar Kamath has claimed that there are a lot of gold deposits in the core of Bardez and Pedne Taluka. Doctor feels that this gold might fetch 1,200 billion rupees in the international market.
Goa University Assistant Professor Dr. Nandakumar Kamath has disclosed that there is around 6,000 metric tons of gold deposits in Bardez and Pedne. This fact has come to the fore after an extensive research by Dr. Kamath and his team.
From Morjing till we have Miramar, we have, and also in Khazan lands, we have what is known as a strategic sand mineral reserve, known as monazite. Even NIOS published the data. But NIOS document is just document for mines department. You need not start hitting the sand, I am not saying that, but at least tell the people that these are reserved, because tomorrow people will put hotels and big places there. Sand will go below the basement. These are known as strategic mineral reserve. We do not have a policy. All subsurface deposits, I have told the government in my note, should be declared by an ordinance as property of government of Goa. Because the problems which private leasers have created in the mining sector, people are agitating now. Now that should not happen in North Goa. Understood? So that means it is public property. It will not be, even if it is below a private property, government can invoke certain rules and procedures to say that it is national property.
This gold is deposited around 60 meters below sea level at Morji to Parori. Dr. Kamath has already written to government to come out with an ordinance declaring all this stretch as national property. Dr. Kamath says the land under this stretch should be classified and changes should be brought in regional plan in North Goa, where the gold reserves are deposited. A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Examination papers in the GMC are leaked. 2 papers of 4th year MBBS exam were leaked to the students. After media brought the scam to the notice of the GMC officials, they cancelled General Medicine paper 1 and 2. A 3-member team has been set up to inquire into this serious breach. The report is expected in the next 48 hours.
This is the list of questionnaire that got leaked amongst 4th year MBBS students. Around 100 students have appeared for 4th year MBBS exams. Exams got commenced on 1st January. Now GMC has cancelled General Medicine Paper 1 and General Medicine Paper 2 as this exam papers got leaked. Out of 16 questions, 14 have been found matching with leaked question set. Students had answered General Medicine Paper 1 on Saturday and they were answering Paper 2 on Monday. Now students will have to appear for both the papers in later days. GMC says they follow strict rules of maintaining secrecy of exam papers. In fact, final papers that are supposed to appear for exams are selected by Goa University. Now Goa University has ordered probe in this exam scam.
Now these 3 sets of question papers are sent to the university, out of which university picks up 1 set of question papers and that is supposed to be the paper. Now these question papers are printed by the university and are sent to Dean's office 1 or 2 days prior to the commencement of the exams. And Vice Chancellor is also of the opinion that in view of this thing, we should cancel both the question paper, that is medicine paper 1 and medicine paper 2.
GMC acted on the exam leak after a local newspaper exposed the scam. Dean say exams of remaining papers will be held as per schedule.
Remaining papers will go on because as of now, I don't have any complaint that they have been leaked.
So, but going by the trend, the 1 and 2 is leaked. There is also possibility.
No, it's not a must. It is not a must that if one paper has been leaked, all will be leaked. And we cannot act unless we have got some definite proof.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Aldona MLA Dayanand Narvekar is fed up with the political affairs of the state Congress. He has hinted at switching to NCP's side for the next assembly election. Narvekar confidently says, "I have a bright prospect even in Porvorim." He was speaking in our weekly program Head On.
तुम्ही आम्ही वळ ऐकला की यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ शिफ्टिंग युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वेगळी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतल्यान कॉन्टेस्ट करपाची चिंतला म्हणून गजाल करूं
न्हू हांव ऑलरेडी एकदां आसलो मागीर थिवी गेलो आतां पर्वरी जाली म्हाजे लोक इतले बरे आहा म्हाका हे खंयच्याय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन गेल्यार हांव निवडून येवंक शकता खंयच्याय
तुमची टार्गेट खंयचे ह्या असेंब्ली इलेक्शना खातीर
हांवें अजून थारोवंक ना ज्या ज्या भागान म्हाका दुसरे मनीस काडचे पडले न्हू आतां समज म्हापसा जर म्हाका दिसलें की हांव येवंक शकता जाल्यार हांव म्हापसा रावंक शकता
काँग्रेसीचो वीट आयलो म्हणून दयानंद नार्वेकर फाल्यां काँग्रेस सोडपाक शकता प्रसंग आयलो जाल्यार परिस्थिती आयली जाल्यार
असोच जर अन्याय रावलो जाल्यार कितलो तेंप सहन करतले
आतां एनसीपीची परिस्थिती कितें आहा परत दयानंद नार्वेकरा ऑफर आसा
सध्या चल्ला कितें कितें बोवाळ सध्या
तुम्ही बोवाळ म्हणून सांगप ते आमी म्हळ्यार येता सध्या कितें कितें बोवाळ चल्ला
बोवाळ चल्ला न्हू अजून तर टायम येवंक ना न्हू टायम येतकीरच मागीर सांगपाचें खूब टायम आहा अजून एक
टायम येतकीर सांगपा सारकें कितें तरी आसा
हय भरपूर आहा
नार्वेकराक सध्या एनसीपी कडच्यान ऑफर आसा
तूं म्हणूं शकता तें
हांव कशें म्हटलो
पण म्हाजें रिलेशन एकदम बरें आहा वयल्या लेवलाचेर जशें सोनिया गांधी वांगडा आसात तशेंच शरद पवारा वांगडाय आसात
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट मीडिया
Well, it's time now for a short break. We'll be right back.